If you have oily skin, this video will change everything. Many girls think they're doing things right, but they're actually making daily mistakes that damage their skin without realizing it. Let's reveal each mistake and fix them. Mistake 1. Using harsh cleansers. Think you're removing oil. In reality, you're drying out your skin. Harsh cleansers trigger more oil production. Use a gentle, balanced face wash. Mistake 2. Skipping moisturizer. Most people think oily skin doesn't need hydration, but that's a huge mistake. The right moisturizer keeps your skin balanced and controls excess oil. Mistake 3. Touching your face constantly. Your hands carry bacteria. Every touch equals more breakouts. Oily skin is already prone to acne. Keep your hands off your face. Mistake 4. Over-exfoliating. Exfoliation helps, but too much is harmful. Twice a week is enough. More than that, it leads to irritation and excess oil. Mistake 5. Using the wrong products. Using heavy or dry skin products suffocates oily skin. Always go for oil-free or non-comedogenic formulas. Mistake 6. Sleeping with makeup. Even if you're tired, never sleep with makeup. It clogs pores, causes breakouts, and stresses your skin. Mistake 7. Skipping sunscreen. Sunscreen isn't just for the beach. Oily skin needs daily sun protection to prevent spots and enlarged pores. Choose lightweight, oil-free sunscreens. Now you know the mistakes. Time to fix them. Start today and you'll see a huge difference in your skin. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more skincare tips.